My mommy them. I thank una for this opportunity. When I don't gather, when I hear the call, we will say Muna can join. I start first for thank God we make this possible. Say me will own mommy, then they can join for one place, gather for one place. For take the small thing, we'll get them for them. I go thank my second mommy when I'm my mother-in-law, Mami Ngami, for this initiative, for join, for try, for make sure it call all man together. For come for house, we stand up one. Mommy, I be picking for small support. Small support for down road. But we get small support Wonganga, small support Woteke, small support Long Street, small support Wovila. But I decide say, may we start for small support na Wonganga this and join Long Street. We join them together, then 2 for 1. Say we come back and meet our mommy there. Because God dey give we a duty as children. For a commandment, he say, we honor our father and our mama them. We take care for una. Una be widow them. Una master they don't die. Now God be una own master. Me, my own papa too don't die. My woman, Suzanne, he own papa too don't die. Yvonne way there for our miss too, he own papa too don't die. So you see, we know una pain. We know the thing that una go together. We be joined for form this small organization. What call and say the case consulting and training. Say we try for give back for society. Now one of our outreach program then this. Say we try for put widows and together. We'll see where to feed do them. Just as Bible tell we say we look out for the widows. Because now mommy them will know theirs. We know when I struggle. You get Makolo where stand when I missed. You get Yvonne where it day when I missed. Assumpta know well, he no come. You get me, Jute Manuel, where it day for na wish Mr. Kebuma. Then you get Suzanne Mepa. 2. When my other half. We join same we do this thing. Everything we wanna see them for years, so now we from our heart them. Would join under the organization of the case consulting and training for give back to our society, especially for our widows there. We say charity begins at home and we choose Long Street. Why? They say na mommy, na the whole family. Suzanne, na my woman, na my right hand, na my mommy. When we start this initiative, we called our friends and made the join. Since na a place, we say we start them for Long Street, Wonganga. Then we go continue go down for small support, go down for Woteke, Wovila, and even for Tole. Because now this side way all we come out, we say we start them for here. Mommy them. The small thing we dey give una, it also includes salt. So that when I put the salt for una chop, that chop will become fine. When I put small maggi for the it taste. For the small rice and the oil we don't give am, it go taste me sweet for una mouth. Me una know say una don't born pikin there because pikin no be only the one way you come off for your belly. Pikin na the one way it give you something for more. You take and you chop small. Na be pikin. But mommy, this one no go only end say we don't come for give una chop. We want una organize una self. Yes, una but we don't have to organize makes a small group. Sometimes if we want to do agriculture, una need some small training for something. We will tell una how to plant small cocoa, small corn. We teach una again small thing. Don't go learn am for school. We go join teach una. Now the one that make farm, we go do poetry. We go say we join. We teach una how una fit do am. The one they do business too, we fit try to for our own plate, for our own small way we fit. For same we start of any man. But I say, we no fit do one and never come together. So this outreach will come so now join una together first. Una become one, una try to get one more. Mu see say una organize una self too. They say one hand, e no fit tie bundle. Now all una fit join for tie the bundle. Only the prayer wey una don knack am for here today. Aye, e enter our skin. The prayer show say God stand for front. Mama, I thank you for that prayer. It shows say God stand for we, and everything we do, we don't put God for front. I dey thank una. I be picking for small support. I be picking for this land. All una don't give it chop, una don't give water for drink and for one way or the other. We share una pain. But we only give back for the small way we think say we fit get. But that small we dey give with our whole heart. Our whole heart we dey give for una. Because una be mama me dem. Una be mama me dem, we no get plenty. But say we share them together with una. God go bless una. God go continue for stand for una. And make una try for organize una self. Together, we go do something the way we no know if we imagine am. But I know say una good heart. The one una don't receive we. The one una don't pray for God. I go also tell una say, me una pray for we too. For una own spare time them. So that as well we give this una chop una heart the sweet. Me una know say, among we will get woman them, will get man the way sometimes they never ever even get their own picking them. Una go pray for them. So that me God go open their womb to me, their own born, their own picking. So that picking them too go can care to for them as well with the one try for do una. Now we petition now, I think that we say una pray. So that me then get long life. Me prosperity to come for them. As well una chopper. Salt, it gets significance, and all una know it is the significance of salt. Even an evil, salt the driver. Mama as una chop and chop that salt. Me una remember say, they were picking never they stand for una front. They need una prayer. So one their womb they never open to. Now help them for that particular regard. Not be only them. All they are also their brothers and sisters and where they dey among their midst, so they did for their community too. Then too they never get the fruit of the womb. Now una mami then una be food for una born we. Una ask God me open their road then too. For all man. We thank una and may God bless una. May God bless una from the bottom of our heart. Distance not be anything we dey still talk una. We'll come for una at any time. But we'll continue. We wanna organize una self and I'll let you know. If anything they wanna need or anything they will come up as way my brother Makolo to go talk with una again. We go see how things they go hacker in any form we can. God bless una mama medium. I thank una from the bottom of our heart. On behalf of my own woman, Suzanne. On behalf of Assunta. On behalf of Madam Yvonne Wede Wunade. On behalf of Makolo. We say thank una. Mama Ngami, God bless you. For help we for bring all man together. God bless you. I thank all una. And all my way don't can they help for put all things in together. We say thank una. Mr. Njamin, we don't see you the help too for help your mommy then too for the. We say thank you and God bless una all. Thank una. Amen.